Hi students, let us learn about complementary angles. You can see here figure hmm, that is of the angle PQR. You can see here this angle PQR, they divided into two angles. These angles are angle PQS and angle SQR. If you will add these two angles, means angle PQS plus angle SQR, it is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now, if the sum of the measure of two angles, how many angles? Two angles, not only one angle. If the sum of if the measure of one angle is 90 degree, then that angle is known as right angle. Here, the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. Okay, so that only they given here in your book. Look, draw angle PQR a right angle. After that, take any point S on its interior. Draw ray QS. Now, by this ray QS, this whole angle, it will be divided into two angles. Add the measure of the angles. Which angles? Angle PQS and angle SQR. What will be the sum of their measures? Their sum of their measure is 90 degree. So the angle PQS and angle SQR, they are known as complementary angles of each other. Here angle PQS and angle SQR are mutually complementary angles. Okay, mutually means look, we included these angles in only one angle, that is angle PQR. Now, again one time I will tell you the definition of complementary angles. If the sum of the measures of two angles, suppose they are the separate angles also. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. Now we will see the example given in your book. Okay. Look here, they given measure of example. Observe the angles in the figure and enter the proper number in the box. Measure of angle ABC. Now what is the measure of angle ABC? This measure, it is 40 degree. Okay. Then measure of angle PQR, it is 50 degree. Now if you will add these two angles, what will you get? Measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle PQR is equal to how much degree? 90 degree. Okay. If the sum of the measures of angle ABC and PQR is 90 degree, then they are complementary angles. Means here angle ABC and angle PQR are known as complementary angles. Okay. Let us see the other examples. Now, next example is find the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 70 degree. Same way you have to solve the example. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. Then 70 plus a is equal to 90 degree. Why do we take the measure 90 degree? Because the given here we have to find the complement of an angle. And the measure of complementary angle is how much degree? Is equal to 90 degree. So here we had taken 70 plus x is equal to 90. Now you know the method. According to the method, if you want to cancel x, then x here we want to find the value of x. So we have to cancel 70 from both the sides. So here 70 contains positive sign. So we have to subtract 70 from LHS as well as RHS. So here we had subtracted. Look, 70 plus x minus 70 and 90 minus 70. So what is the complementary angle of 70 degree? It is 20 degree. The measure of the complement of an angle of measure 70 degree is 20 degree. if you will add these both angles, you will get 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles. So the complement of an angle of measure 70 degree is 20 degree. Now next example we will see, or we will take in place of, okay, in place of 70 degree we will take another angle. And just I will explain the example here. Okay, this I will rub it. I will make the place to solve the example. Okay, we'll take the measure of the angle is, find the measure of the complement of an angle of measure, angle of measure, we will take the measure of the angle B, 50 degree. Okay, now we will take the angle as X. You have to write this in your notebook. Just I will show you. Now here the steps, 50 plus X is equal to 90 degree. Now we want to find the value of X. So we have to subtract which number? 50 from both the sides. 90 minus 50. Now 50 minus 50 is 0. Then X is equal to 90 minus 50 means 40 degree. Okay, do you understand this? 40 degree means the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 50 degree is 40 degree. We'll see one more example. In place of 50 degree we will take another measure of an angle. Okay, now we will take the measure of the angle is 75 degree. Okay, now you have to write that the measure of the complement of an angle be X. The next step, that is 75 plus X is equal to 90. You can write here also the sum of the measure of complementary angle is 90 degree. Therefore 75 plus X minus 75 is equal to 90 minus 75. Okay, then X is equal to 15 degree. This is the complement of an angle. Now we will see the next example given in your book. Angles of measure A plus 15 degree and 2A degree are complementary. What is the measure of each angle? Here already they given the measure of two angles. So we have to add, and they are complementary angles, so their measure it would be 90 degree. So A plus 15 plus 2A is equal to 90 degree. Now A plus 2A means 3A. 3A plus 15 90. Now 3A is equal to 75. Here 3A upon A is equal to 70. Here what we have to do? 3A. We want to cancel the 3 from both the sides. So 3A upon 3 is equal to 75 upon 3. So your answer, this, wait, this 3 will cancel with each other. What remain here? A. A is equal to 75 upon 3 means A is equal to 25. Okay. Now A's value we had found 25. So 25 plus 15 it will be 40 degree, and 2A is equal to 2 into 25 is equal to 50 degree. If you will add this 40 plus 50, then it is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now by using this information you have to solve practice set 16. Okay, means look, just I will explain how to solve. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. They given the example solved in your book. According to that example, you have to solve the example. 40 degree means you have to subtract 40 degree from 90 degrees. 63 from 90 degree, 45 from 90 degree, 55, then 20, then 90 and x. Like the example given in your book. This is this question number 1, same way. And question number 2 you have to solve by this example. Okay. Now again one time I will repeat the definition of complementary angles. If the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. Keep in mind, in my next video we will see about supplementary angles. So by using the information, by using the definition, you have to solve practice set 16 in your notebook. Thank you. Bye.